In this episode, I'm going to show you 10 must-have planner essentials. Let's rise! Rising to be. Rising to be productive. Rising to be organized. Rising to be inspired. Who are you rising to be? New podcast every Tuesday, new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. In honor of National Stationery Week and our anniversary week of Rising to Be, today's episode is about the 10 must-have planner essentials. So let's get started. This episode was already posted early and several others are available right now at patreon.com/Rising to Be. Subscribe now for Rising to Be content. Take the fuss out of what you're having for dinner using Rising to Be's Grocery Gladiator printable bundle. The customizable meal planner helps you to prep and plan your meals ahead of time. And you can even add links to your favorite Pinterest recipes to try out for later. Use the shopping list custom categories to never forget anything while shopping for your groceries. Keep track of your exercises, daily steps, water intake, body measurements, and other fitness goals you have throughout the week and month to track your fitness progress using the Grocery Gladiator bundle. 3 unique color options to choose from. Available now at risingtobe.com and on Etsy. Hello everyone, I'm Christina B Rising and welcome to the Rising to Be Show, the only place on the internet where I help you rise to be who you want to be, helping you rise to be productive, organized, and inspired so that you can reach your goals. I upload new videos and podcasts every single week, so be sure to subscribe as a riser so that you won't miss anything. We are currently on the road to 1,500 YouTube subscribers and I'd love for you to be a part of the journey. Celebrate the 2nd anniversary of my stationery store, risingtobe.com, all month long. And shop our anniversary sale and save 50% off the entire store during the biggest sale of the year, only at Rising to Be, which has been newly updated for the anniversary. And last but not least, this episode would not be possible without the support of our Rising to Be patrons and channel members. Thank you. Now let's get into this episode. If you want an easy job to seem mighty hard, just keep putting it off. Richard Miller. Tip 1, planner rings. The key to productivity is to rotate your avoidance techniques. Shannon Wheeler. I love to use planner rings with my whole heart, and not just because most of them have a heart cut into the center. It's because planner rings are the reason I'm a planner addict to begin with. The Happy Planner brand has used the planner rings to give us another way to decorate our planners. Whether you're using rings from the Disney collection with a Mickey cut into the center, or the Disney Princess collection with a tiara in the center, they are truly a planner dream. The reason I don't really gravitate towards standard notebooks is because, well, you can't move the papers inside of them. But by having planner rings, you can easily add, move, and remove pages so that you can reach your version of planner bliss. The 3 different sizes offered can help you to fully customize a DIY notebook or planner from risingtobe.com, my stationery store. You can easily create a meal planner notebook by printing out the digital file from your order, track your progress in my accomplishments workbook, and even plan out your goals using my goal setting workbook, using planner rings to hold all of your big plans together. Not only do these rings come in a wide range of colors, but they are now made in a wide range of materials besides just plastic. So there are definitely planner rings out there that you will love. All products mentioned in today's episode will be linked down below for your convenience. Tip 2, digital products and workbooks. What looks like multitasking is really switching back and forth between multiple tasks, which reduces productivity and increases mistakes by up to 50%. Susan Kane. So is official. My stationery store and Etsy shop is officially 2 years old. This has been the scariest time of my entire life, not including the deadliness of COVID-19, but selling products, especially digital products, to people in a pandemic while people are losing their jobs and their loved ones is beyond hard. And now we have a great gas famine and of course a food famine on top of it. But I got it done anyway. I was able to sell my products via Etsy and did my very first Black Friday sale, which was incredibly exhausting. But anyway, digital products and workbooks are amazing for your planner because they can easily be reused and you can print as many copies as you want. The digital products I sell can be used in 3 different ways. You can type on it right from your computer, print it out of course, and you can write on it using your iPad, Apple Pencil, compatible with apps like GoodNotes, Notability, and DocuSign. There are so many different printables out there, but the ones I sell at risingtobe.com are made to help you rise to be your best self. All of our printables and workbooks are made to help you become your best version of yourself and even boost your productivity. And you can save 50% off your entire order using my code BDAY50 on printables like our best-selling time blocking printable to help you find more time in your day, or our brain dump printable, the ultimate notes and reminders page. Use our goal setting workbook to craft your master plan to reach every goal you have in your life. And lastly, our newest product, our accomplishments workbook, which is amazing for tracking major accomplishments, like your store's 2nd anniversary. You can find all these products right now at risingtobe.com. Tip 3, accomplishments workbook. Productivity is the deliberate strategic investment of your time, talent, intelligence, energy, resources, and opportunities in a manner calculated to move you measurably closer to meaningful goals. Dan S. Kennedy. Use the accomplishments workbook as a timeline of your successful accomplishments to keep track of everything that has gone your way while working toward your goal or goals. Use as proof of your qualifications and as a celebration of your success. If you need a reminder that you are capable of more than you think, let this workbook be a reminder to you and others of exactly how far you've come. Start keeping track of all of your progress and accomplishments right now. It is a great way to track job promotions, professional accomplishments, exercise success, weight loss story, educational or school journeys, financial progress, and so much more. Let this workbook be your reminder to you and others of exactly how far you've come. Start keeping track of all of your progress and accomplishments right now, including 100+ digital stickers and a free journal. Tip 4, refill paper. Over the long run, the unglamorous habit of frequency fosters both productivity and creativity. Gretchen Rubin. Refill paper is truly a lifesaver for me from the Happy Planner brand. As I mentioned, I sell printables and own some from other brands as well. It's basically loose leaf paper with decorated hole punch edges. Having this hole punch edge saves so much time if you are making a lot of prints or if you just don't want to hole punch a bunch of paper. And the refill paper packs come in a wide range of designs and of course colors. Tip 5, time blocking planner printable. Knowledge is the source of wealth. Applied to tasks we already know, it becomes productivity. Applied to tasks that are new, it becomes innovation. Peter Drucker. Ready to dominate your time and get more done? It's time to stop letting time rule your life. Get this planner as a great tool that helps you manage your time on a daily basis by breaking up the day into a certain number of blocks that you decide, not someone else. If you want to organize your day, manage your time, and accomplish the task of your to-do list, then the hourly schedule planner is for you. With the hour schedule planner, you will notice increased productivity just like the many others who have already started using this planner. Life is unpredictable, but with this planner, you will have the tools you need and 100+ stickers to make sure that no matter what happens in your life, you will still get important things done. App 6, hole punch. Procrastination is the fear of success. People procrastinate because they are afraid of the success that they know will result if they move ahead. Because success is heavy and carries a responsibility with it. It is much easier to procrastinate and live on the someday I'll philosophy. Dennis Waitley. Many people forget to buy a hole puncher, but I believe that everyone should own one. Owning a hole puncher has certainly changed my life for the better. I often hole punch my bills to add them to my budget happy planner. Or if I go to a meeting or a conference where I've been given notes or even a PowerPoint that I may need for later, I like to hole punch it and add it to a binder for safekeeping. No matter how you plan your life, I can guarantee you that you will need to hole punch something. So please get a hole puncher. Tip 7, goal setting workbook. I do not equate productivity to happiness. For most people, happiness in life is a massive amount of achievement, plus a massive amount of appreciation. And you need both of those things. Tim Harris. You've probably heard the adage that goes, fail to prepare, prepare to fail. Using the goal setting planner to track your progress in working towards reaching your goals will make them more attainable. Set and achieve goals for self-growth, financial independence, physical health, and mental wellness. Include with goal purpose writing prompts, possible obstacle brainstorming pages, goal breakdowns, motivational quote pages, goal progress reports, and so much more. The goal setting workbook helps you plan your goals and put them into action. It's filled with different sheets to break down your goal or multiple goals into bite-sized action steps, so that there isn't any way you can fail. Tip 8, planner card. Productivity growth, however it occurs, has a disruptive side to it. In the short term, most things that contribute to productivity growth are very painful. Janet Yellen. Look, if you're going to buy, or maybe you already have some of these must-have planner essentials in your home, you're going to want to keep all of this stuff organized. And owning a planner card can be a great solution to a lot of your organization needs that you may have. These planner cards typically have 3 shelves on them and can be found almost anywhere, from places like Target and Michael's. And the best part is their affordability. Plus, they come in a wide array of colors and you can find one that easily matches your style. Tip 9, meal plan and shopping list. Creativity isn't about wild talent as much as it's about productivity. To find new ideas that work, you need to try a lot that don't. It's a pure numbers game. Robert Sutton. Planning your grocery list doesn't have to be a chore. The Grocery Gladiator bundle helps you plan out your meals ahead of time. Keep track of what you're eating and reduce the amount of money you spend on takeout by planning your meals in advance. Set your household up for success and start planning ahead today. 20 pages included breakfast, lunch, and dinner options. Customizable shopping list categories. Tip 10, notepads. Productivity growth, however it occurs, has a disruptive side to it. I know what you're thinking, Christina, you have an iPad with a notes app on it. Why on earth do you need notepads? But guess what? You're wrong. Here's why. Technology can fail at times, whether your device runs out of space or your app is having an update when you really need to write something down before you forget it. And that is why I still believe in paper and pencil. I can write down what I need. The only issue is that I can possibly lose a sheet of my notes or even my entire notebook. There are so many to choose from. Writing pads, drawing pads, Lego pads, sketch pads, and even my brain dump printable available now at risingtobe.com. It's perfect for keeping track of those little reminders you get throughout your day and boost your productivity so you won't have to try to remember what you're not supposed to forget. No matter who you are, you need a notebook or a notepad in your life immediately. I like getting mine from the Happy Planner brand, and they already come hole punched, so I easily can slip them into my planner. Today's comment of the day goes to Something Better. OMG, so powerful, it makes you think. Thanks so much for your comment, Something Better. Bonus tip, and if you made it this far into the episode, I would like to share this bonus planner essential with you. It's the 5 and Thrive to-do list. The really happy people are those who have broken the chains of procrastination, those who find satisfaction in doing the job at hand. They're full of eagerness, zest, and productivity. You can be too. Norman Vincent Peale. Are you ready to take control of your day by simply choosing 5 tasks to improve your life for the better and thrive? If so, take the first step towards change by tracking these daily goals in your 5 and Thrive to-do list. These 5 tasks won't have to take a lot of time out of your busy schedule, but they're big enough to make an impact. So grab one of these lists and begin taking life-changing strides towards improving your daily lifestyle and finally complete your to-do list. What 5 goals will you track so that you can thrive every single day? Share this awesome episode with someone you know who needs it to help them rise to be who they want to be. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'd hate for you to miss the next episode. Now let's get into our recap. So let's do a quick recap just in case you missed a tip. Tip 1, planner rings. Tip 2, digital printables and workbooks. Tip 3, accomplishment workbook. Tip 4, refill paper. For tip 5, hourly schedule planner. Tip 6, hole puncher. Tip 7, goal setting workbook. Tip 8, planner cart. Tip 9, meal plan and shopping list. Tip 10, notepads. And our bonus tip, 5 and Thrive to-do list. I just want to take a moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. Watch next week's episode early by joining my Patreon for exclusive content. There's 3 tiers to choose from at patreon.com/risingtobe. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know in the comments or your podcast review which tip you'll be using. Keep rising to be who you want to be. Bye, risers.